Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to find trending hashtags on TikTok. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply launch your TikTok application and make sure that this application is up to date. Now, once you open your TikTok, what you want to do to look or find trending hashtags is to just simply go to the search icon or search bar and then type for trending hashtags. You can also type trending hashtags now, and you will see tons of videos, and these videos or users are using trending hashtags. So if you click their video, you will see their hashtags like FYP or other hashtags that are trending. Okay, so there are different options here. So we have trending hashtags right now. You can see and copy hashtags from these users or from these people. And actually, if you go to your FYP, you will see there tons of videos that are appearing. For example, if you keep watching that video and if you see that video has a number or billions of viewers, then you can tap the person's video or that user's video and copy or see what are the hashtags that this user or person used. And you can also use it one, especially if you have the same content. For example, like this, if your content is all about animals, then you can copy this trending here and add this to your video. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.